Exercise back of 18. Ready, start. Indo-Iran Economic Cooperation already provides a model for other developing countries. We in India will do our utmost to promote and develop this mutually beneficial relationship and raise it to new heights. My government is convinced that a constructive relationship between India and Iran based on close cooperation and political understanding has been made and will continue to make a signal contribution to the stability and peace of our region. Our cooperation is not limited to bilateral relationship alone. In the international arena, we are engaged in creating an environment of peace and cooperation. Both our countries are parties to the declaration of the Indian Ocean as a zone of peace free from foreign military presence and rivalry. Both are working together in various international institutions to bring about a new world economic order based on interdependence, equality, and justice. Great changes are taking place throughout the world, both in the political and economic spheres, throwing up new challenges and responsibilities. At this juncture, Iran is fortunate in having Your Majesty's wise and far-sighted leadership. We have watched with satisfaction and happiness the phenomenal progress made by Iran over the last few years. Your profound comprehension of the world forces and of the interconnection between world peace and the reduction and elimination of the glaring economic disparities among nations has made Iran play an important role in the struggle to bring about a more just international economic order. We welcome Iran's emphasis on regional cooperation in trade and development and share your vision that such cooperation will lead to global peace and secure regional environment which will deny any possibility of interference by outside forces. We fully support your efforts to gain complete control over your national resources and to avail of the limitless opportunities in advances in science and technology for raising the living standards of all your peoples. I had visited your beautiful country nearly 8 years ago. Within the few hours I have been there, I have seen unmistakable proof of the great progress made by Iran under your statesmanship. Mr. President, sir, during the next few days, I hope to acquaint myself more with this remarkable progress made by Iran in social, economic, and technological fields, as much as to visit a few famous centers of learning which have inspired countless generations all over the world. Stop.